How to assemble office chair from Rose Designer Chairs. Start by opening the box and laying the parts out separately. Remove the 4 screws which are already attached on the chair seat with the help of Allen wrench to attach the mechanism. Place the mechanism with arrow facing the front side and fix the screws back accordingly. Place the hydraulic inside the wheelbase. And then put hydraulic cover on it. Place the chair on the top of the hydraulic. Now your chair is ready to use.